Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the tools in place. Install a basic TTS app or open a web TTS page now. Choose a clear, neutral voice and set speed near 1 to keep intelligibility. Next, enable pitch or format controls so you can alter timbre. This is why the voice sounds robotic rather than natural. Record a short test phrase and listen back. Once done, you'll know the baseline sound and be ready to modify parameters for the robotic character you want. Now you change the voice characteristics to make it robotic. You'll shift pitch by about 10 to 25%, lower for deep robot, higher for thin synthetic. Make sure to increase format shift to decouple pitch from timbre, because that keeps intelligibility while making it mechanical. Add subtle vibrato or a chorus to introduce micromodulation, and then apply a gentle bit crusher or sample rate reduction to add metallic grit. Once these are balanced, export a sample, finish by layering. Keep a mostly dry vocal and mix in the processed wet track around 60 to 40. This preserves clarity while delivering the robotic effect. Then cut below 100 Hz to avoid boom and boost between 2 and 5 kHz for intelligibility. Normalize or compress lightly so levels stay even. If words become muddy, check phase alignment and reduce extreme pitch or format shifts. If things still go wrong, revert settings incrementally until syllables are clear and mechanical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.